Hi, good morning everyone. Today I'm inside the kitchen. I'm going to cook a squid. Good squid, guys. But before I start my cooking, let me here guys, my outfit. The top and then thank you Julian for my outfit this morning. These are the clothes that you sent us here. The jacket is not this is my jacket. Then the top is okay. Then the skirt is okay. So, I'm going to start my cooking now. Then here, so you can see what I did here. I'm going to cook. Look at the squid here. Very good size squid. Okay. Ondoy cleaned this one this morning. And he took, there is a plastic one. Looks like, hey, there's a plastic one. I don't, that must be there a bone. Then I'm going to fry this one, guys. So this is my first time that I cook a squid, fried squid. And then Ondoy told me that here inside put spices. So I have her spices ready now. That's almost empty. It's because I already started putting up spices inside the body. So here it is. That's the squid. Then after I put the spices, I stick what do you call this one? Stick. So what? I stick toothpick, guys. So when I cook here, it won't move the head and then the spices. Spices will still remain. So I'm going to show you guys what I did here. Okay. So I wish you can see me, guys. Let me check. Seems not. Okay. So I'm gonna get the body. Then insert some spices here. And push it. Push it inside. So on the side, so when I cook, it won't shrink the body. So the head. This is too much I add. Okay. The spices, God, the spices I add all seasoning already. And just stick slowly so it won't cut the toothpick. Now I broke the toothpick, so I need to get another. This is really hard a job. Okay. Here it is. So make sure, guys, when you buy a squid, should have head, so it's not hard for you to, so you can put all spices on the body, inside the body. Okay. Only really knows how to a technique. This is a new for me. Okay, done. Done. So I wanna set this one here, and some of the stick I wanna throw this one. Put this on the garbage. Then I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay. And I'm going to start cooking now. Hondoy and Philip arrived now. They get some rice hay. I supposed to use coconut oil, but I need to finish this one, guys. Vegetables oil. It says all natural cooking oil. So I'll just use this one for now. I don't wanna waste oil. Because somebody said that because I want to lose my weight, I need to use coconut oil. So that's almost empty. Okay, we'll start heating the oil here. I need to get wait, guys. We need to get a clip. And okay, I think that's already hot. I need to put now the squid. Yeah. Oh, Jesus. So that's it. And we will wait for that one, guys. This is our breakfast for today. Philip and Hondoy get some rice hay early. So I'll be back. Okay, guys, I need to flip over now. There is one here. He lost the head. Oh, yummy. Okay. This one is another. Oh, you're here now. Very quick.
No, it's about an hour.
That's Philip noodles. Philip is here now. Say good morning.
Good morning, everybody. We've already been working. Picked up another load of rice hay.
Yeah.
Number 4.
Ayan, number 4.
So, it's starting all over again.
I'm making here a bread for you.
Yeah, good, good.
I don't know if you're gonna like this one.
Whew. I'm hot. It's going to be a burner today again.
Oh, little. Ah, little. interrupt. So here I'm making a toast bread. This is wheat bread we picked up in town yesterday. Okay. Then I'm going to add butter. Now I wanna check the, sorry guys, squid. Oh, sige. Nalok lang po. I'm scared. Okay. Yummy. I just fed a pig, and then after I fed, I cooked breakfast. So that is my job every morning. But I did not yet water my plants. Okay. I'll be back. Hi guys. That's already cooked. I need to transfer to the plate. Yeah. Hi guys. I'm going to add here a cheese to make it look good. There you go. More cheese here. Just sprinkle all over the place. So that's it. This is my menu for today. Fried squid with spices and cheese. So thank you so much for watching my video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and have a happy Monday morning. Bye. God bless you all. Hello everybody. Now Philip he's eating my menu for today, the squid. What can you say about Daile?
I am eating squid. This is a day in history.
Tastes good?
Not really bad, yeah.
It's like salad, and that's a fresh pichay. See? A soft squid. Hi guys, let's eat here. We're just having a simple breakfast. So bye for now.
It's a gourmet breakfast.
A gourmet? What is gourmet, Daile?
Squid, a delicacy. Along with all the pichay and the cheese and the tomatoes and everything.
I see.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching my video.
Bye-bye.